Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is characters in Julia programming language. Okay, I think you know about characters. Character represent only a single value, such as the English letters like A, B, C, uppercase A, B, C, etc., lowercase a, b, c, etc., and also the symbols. Okay, and these each characters are mapping into integer values between 0 and 127, that is their corresponding ASCII values. Okay, let me show you some of the examples. Let me type X. Okay, we have to type the character within single quotes. Okay, now I am going to check the type of that answer using the function type of. Yeah, it is a character, Char. Okay, and in Julia we can convert the character into integer values. That is, we can convert the character to its corresponding ASCII values, that is an integer value, using the function int. Okay, let me show you. Int, then type the character that we want to convert into integer. I am going to type symbol X. Okay, yeah, its corresponding ASCII value is 120. It is an integer. If you have any doubt, I will show you the type of this answer using the function type of. Yeah, it is in 64. The 64 indicate that I am using 64-bit OS. If you are using 32-bit OS, its answer is in 32. Okay, and also we can convert the integer to corresponding character. Okay, now I am going to convert this integer to its corresponding character value X using the function char. Let me show you. 120. Yeah, the answer X. Now I am going to check the type of X. Is it converted into character or not? Answer. Okay, yeah, the 120, the integer value 120 is converted to char using the function char. Okay, and also you can do the comparison and also some of the arithmetic operation with the char values, character values. Okay, let me show you some of the examples. X minus a, its value is 23. Here it converted to, it takes the corresponding ASCII value of X and the ASCII value of A. The ASCII value of A is subtracted from the ASCII value of X. I will show you the ASCII value of X and A. X, it's 120. It is 97. 120 minus 97, the answer is 23. here. Okay, and also if you want to get the next character of A, then type the character A plus 1. Yeah, this is the next character, and correspondingly the next character C. Okay, in this way we can do some of the arithmetic operations and also comparison with the character in Julie. Okay, that's all about character in Julia programming language. If you liked my video, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.